In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact details in Insightly. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly update any contact information without worrying about breaking anything or getting lost in the interface. First, start by opening Insightly and navigating to your Contacts section. This is usually found in the main menu along the top or side of your screen, depending on your layout. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see a list of all your contacts. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar to type in the person's name to find them more quickly. Once you see the contact you want to update, click directly on their name. This will open that contact's detail page where you can see all the information currently stored for them, such as their email address, phone number, job title, and any custom fields your organization might be using. Take a second to scan this page so you know what you're about to change. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Contacts page for the Actions button. It may look like a standard button labeled Actions or a drop-down, depending on your version of Insightly. Click this Actions button to open a menu of options related to that specific contact. From the Actions menu, choose the option labeled Edit this contact. As soon as you select it, the page will switch into edit mode. You'll notice that many of the fields that were previously read-only can now be clicked into and changed. This is where you can update any details that are out of date or incorrect. Carefully go through each field you need to change. For example, you might update a new email address, a changed phone number, or a new job title. If your organization uses custom fields, make sure those are still accurate as well. It's a good idea to double-check spellings and numbers here since these details may be used in emails, reports, and automations. When you're finished making your updates, scroll down if necessary and look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or sometimes the top right of the edit form. Click Save to confirm your changes. Insightly will then return you to the Contacts detail page, now showing the updated information. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your contact records accurate and up to date in Insightly, which makes your communication and reporting much more reliable.